there's a word for that. If you're mixed up in your English, Tagalog, Ilonggo, Cebuano, and even a fifth language, it's called saksak-sinagol. Meaning, it's all mixed up, mishmash. I'm here now in Toledo City, driving through. We hope to reach Mualboal in 1.5 hours. Since I'm the driver, I hope that I can drive to my cousin's place, my aunt, say hi to them, and bye. Just a quick hi and bye. Because I have relatives here. They're called in Cebuano, Kaliwat. I'm at my auntie's place. She'd be surprised. Auntie, kajut rako! Kajut, just a minute.
Like
I look
Lola.
like her. This is
No,
my
no
look-alike.
more. No more.
Well, when I grow old, I will definitely look like you. Okay, this is, and apparently they're fixing. Are you fixing, renovating?
Because it's eaten by termites.
Oh, termites. So you have to replace. You have to replace.
This was built in 1991.
1991.
27 years ago.
27 years ago, that long. Oh, okay. So it's now concrete.
Yes,
so you're spending a lot, Auntie.
We have to repair.
Oh, you repair.
One at a time.
Okay.
5 days a month.
These are my old
This-
ancestors' photo.
That is my Lola, and that is me. Little
Ah,
girl.
the little girl at the center.
And the one is a Bible woman.
Bible woman, the one in blue.
And this is
Oh, sorry.
Celerina Libre.
Lola Celerina Libre.
Married to Gerardo Espina.
Ah, so this is where I got my Espina.
Yes, yes. And this is Francisco Honorides.
Francisco Honorides.
Your great-great-grandfather.
Great-great-grandfather.
His son is your great-grandfather.
Great-grandfather.
Mateo Honorides.
Mateo Honorides. And who is
Great
this?
Mateo?
No, grandfather.
Grandson.
Because he's your father.
Grandfather Mateo, his son. So he's your great-grandfather.
Ah, that's the father of Mateo?
Yes.
Okay. Hello, great-grandfather.
This one is the brother of your grandmother, Modesta Andres. He died
Single.
when he was, and he joined the war.
He died in the war?
Yeah, no.
He was a soldier.
Malaria.
Oh, that's
And
too
so
bad.
That's why he died single.
He looks like Bobby.
And look at this one.
Oh,
No
so
more wall here.
no more wall. You've taken down the wall.
Because it was infested by termites.
Termites.
Look at this one. Double walling.
Ah,
Double
so-
walling.
okay.
Plywood and painted.
Yes.
When I moved that, because inside,
A lot of termites
lots of
already
termites.
live there.
So
Okay.
maybe eventually
Eventually.
cannot afford to to put the division walls. I'm just knock down all the division. The termites eat them.
Yeah. I'm here with my cousin Clint in their house. It's part of my blog, my travel blog. I just cried a bit because I saw my auntie. I can't bear to take a video or photo of her. I would rather remember her in her prime. It's sad seeing, your relatives, your kaliwat, fade away. But my cousins of the magic side, Honorides Pagdalian, Bobby and Clint. All right, and my regards
The
to the
MC.
family.
The MC of the magic.
All right. Lagi. So now we're old and gray. Dagana. So see you again, cuz. Thank you again. This is Joan of Arc, and see you in our next stopover. Like, share, and subscribe, and bye-bye for now. Bonus feature is this new place here in Kawasan, Aluginsan.